Hello, welcome to Malouf Service. Today we're going to show you how to successfully replace the massage motor on your Structures Adjustable Bed Base. Number 1. Remove your mattress from the base, then lift the base onto its side. If you haven't already, unplug the base from your outlet. Number 2. Locate the defective massage motor. Then follow the massage motor cable from the motor to the control box and unplug the cable. Next, remove the cable from the securing clip. Number 3. Loosen the 4 screws holding the outer secure bracket and remove the motor from the base. Number 4. On a flat surface, remove the screws, outer securing bracket, the rubber harness, and the foam padding to access the motor. Then detach the old motor from the stability clip. Note that the stability clip is attached to the front side of the motor and holds the motor in place against the bottom of the base. Number 5. Attach the new motor to the stability clip. Next, place the foam padding, the rubber harness, and the outer secure bracket on top of the new motor. Then put the screws in place. Number 6. Place the motor onto the base and tighten the 4 screws on the securing bracket. Then connect the massage motor cable to the securing clip and plug the cable into the control box. Number 7. With the base still on its side, plug the base into your outlet and use the remote control to test the basic function of the motor. If the massage motor vibrates, return the base to an upright position and test again for full operation. If you're having trouble replacing your massage motor or have another question about your adjustable base, contact our customer experience team and one of our experts will be happy to assist you.